Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled serrano peppers. First, gather your fresh serrano peppers, roughly 10 to 12 of them. Give them a good wash under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, carefully slice each pepper into thin, uniform rounds, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures even pickling and a consistent texture. Finally, make sure you have a clean, heat-safe. Now, let's create the flavorful brine that will transform your peppers. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 teaspoons of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar until dissolved. For an extra layer of taste, add 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. This simple mixture forms the perfect base for our quick pickled serranos. Achieving the perfect thickness is key for any great gravy. Begin by making a roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of fat, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it forms a light golden paste. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of cold broth, a little at a time, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Almost done, once the hot brine is in, seal the jar tightly with its lid. Let the jar cool down completely to room temperature on your countertop. This usually takes a few hours. After cooling, transfer your delicious pickled serrano peppers to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to chill for at least 24 hours before serving. They will keep well for several weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.